Two giant names in investing, Fidelity and Charles Schwab. Both promise top-notch service, but which one actually comes out ahead? On one side, Fidelity, a powerhouse with a long history and millions of clients. On the other, Charles Schwab, trusted, innovative, and built for the modern investor. Today, we're diving into what really matters. Platforms and tools, fees, investment options, customer service, usability, and more. No jargon, no fluff. Just the facts that affect your money. We'll score each category, and at the end, reveal exactly which platform rises above the rest. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we start nitpicking features, let's lay it all out. Here's the roadmap for today. We're comparing these two heavyweights across fees and commissions, platform and tech, investment options, research and education, customer support, and international access. If you care about, honestly, anything money and investing, this is it. Fees and commissions. Probably the first thing everyone checks these days. And honestly, both of these guys smash it with zero commissions on stocks and ETFs, and neither one makes you meet an account minimum. Super chill. If you're into mutual funds though, heads up, fees can sneak in, especially with specialized or broker-assisted trades. So yeah, it's pretty much neck and neck here. No clear winner this round. Let's move on. Now, platform and technology. Fidelity's app and website? Oh man, they are seriously smooth. Clean, customizable, with killer research tools and screeners. It's the kind of place you'll actually enjoy logging into. That said, if you're like a hardcore day trader, you might find it a little basic. Schwab, on the other hand, packs a serious punch for power users with street smart edge. But if I'm being real, sometimes the interface can feel like it missed a tech update or two. So for most people, Fidelity's experience is a touch better here. Small edge to them. Next up, investment options. And okay, Schwab's the showstopper if you're all about spreading out futures, direct international stocks, tons of choices. Fidelity's awesome for retirement and mutual funds, and yeah, they let you slice stocks into fractional shares and dip into crypto funds. But there's no direct crypto or international action. Schwab just gives you more to play with. Clear win for them here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Did you know the first index fund was launched in 1976? Totally changed the investing game. Makes you wonder where we'd be trading today without it, right? Alright, let's talk research and education. Both give you much think third-party research galore with Fidelity, then Schwab doubling down with their own webinars and in-depth how-tos. I mean, if you want to learn or nerd out on data, you cannot go wrong here. Honestly, I'd call it a tie. Customer support, super important, right? Fidelity's got you covered with 24/7 phone and chat, and they do have branches if you like that old school face-to-face. But sometimes you might be stuck waiting on hold longer than you'd like. Schwab edges ahead with every channel you can think of, phone, chat, email, plus even more branch locations. During busy times, sure, things can be a little slow, but overall Schwab just does a bit better on support. Now, international access. Here's where Schwab really pulls ahead. You actually get access to a bunch of global equities and ADRs. Fidelity, it's pretty limited. If your money wants to see the world, Schwab's basically got its passport ready. Not even close on this one. Schwab takes it. So let's just zoom out for a sec and see the stats side by side. Both are strong, but Schwab kinda edges out overall if you care about options and global reach. Fidelity pretty much dominates on education and a smooth modern experience. You see the gaps and wins right there in the radar chart, super telling. Alright, let's get real. If you're all about retirement accounts, education, or just want a super solid, easy experience online, Fidelity is probably going to feel like home. But if you want ALL the possibilities, think international stuff, futures, loads of trading options, Schwab's where you want to be. So, Schwab sneaks out as the overall winner, but honestly, neither is a bad call. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more smart finance comparisons. See you in the next video.